Hello, this is Becker Wozat. Welcome once again to another episode of Minecraft Alpha. This is 1.0.11 we are on now. I've decided I'm going to try to keep my personal life out of this. I'm going to try to patch things up, but I'm not going to talk about very much because I can't get very much done in a 15-minute episode. And you know, I think the less I talk about the episode, the better. Anyway, so we're making changes to this thing. As you can see, I've got really awful looking, really awful looking. Look at that. This stuff is good, but it's like it's not really going anywhere. It's not really that great. So I'm thinking it was a nice idea. I was trying to make it look like something out of Tron, but it doesn't look like anything out of Tron. Maybe we need more colors or something. I don't know yet. The blue door, I don't know if the blue door is nice. I mean, where are we getting the paint from to make this what it is? You know, a few other small changes have been made. The torches no longer have smoke textures, stuff like that. Okay, it's not daytime yet. I changed the ladder graphic as well because I want it to be more stark. That's pretty good. I got this. As you can see, we got this going through the glass. I like the idea of the glass having the edges like that. It's kind of nice. I think it works maybe to a certain extent. This is going to eventually be the underground tree farm. And we got that down here. And then down here we've finished up this room, and we've got this, and this is where we're going to go in next. In through here, and into the main area. I haven't changed too many graphics, but now that we're at 1.0.11, we've got a number of changes made to this place, so we're going... Well, let's see what we got over here. We're going to make a few changes here. We're going to do a few things. But I need it to be daytime before doing this. Alright, first, they made the cactuses smaller. If you don't like it, that's cactuses. Alright, so we're going to put these back, and we're going to see what happens. But first, see if we can milk the cow. We can milk the cow, but we can't do anything with the milk. Milk the other cow? Yes. So we can't do anything with the milk yet. Maybe someday, somewhere, something. Alright, double checking that there's no creatures here. Alright. Oh! Can't put these next to each other anymore. You notice how they're smaller than a block this time. That's a positive sign. By the way, this is the third time I tried to do a video. The first two, I had an external hard drive, and the external hard drive was busted. And wasn't working properly, and that's always a bad sign because I need to put my videos on it. Well, I won't be, but I could. So if you can't put it there, can you put it here? Oh, you can put it here. Okay, we can put it up against that. All right, we'll put 3 of them here, and we'll see what happens. Put this, this, and this. And we'll see if they grow now. If they don't grow, well, fine. Okay, I changed the graphics of the cows a little bit more what we wanted, a little bit less of what we have had. The pigs are now a dark blood red. This is probably a mistake. I just didn't want to see pink pigs for some reason. And I was trying to create pigs that were this... bluish black. I couldn't do it, but I got this. This is really scares the hell out of me. But they're just regular pigs, otherwise. That's it. That's it for this area. Oh, yes, there's another thing. It's almost It's almost daytime. We have to go over here. I've changed some of the ideas of what we're going to do. For example, over here, I was thinking of building something on top of this, but I don't know if we're going to build on top of this. This would be a nice place to put it, though. But this is a project for the near future. I won't be able to do it today because I want to get ready for and prepare for journeying out there to... Yeah, wait a minute. Something is wrong here. Why is that sand? Why is that sand? Yeah, there is something funny going on. Oh, the spider! The spider is purple. We have a purple spider. Didn't look as good as I was hoped it would. So we'll come back there and see what's changed. We haven't worked on anything over there. I don't know. Do you think that's a good idea for that to have gone like that? I don't think this world constantly changing on me is a good thing. Yeah, look at this. It's very different. I think we lost some. I think we lost some chunks. I think there's been some other changes around here too. Well, anyway, we gotta get ready for going, which we shall do tomorrow. Or not real life tomorrow, but I was hoping I could see the zombies or the or creepers or something, because I wanted to see if they changed. I made a really wicked looking graphic for skeletons, and I want to see what the skeletons look like. We ain't got any skeletons up here. Oh, not again. Oh, okay, we're back. I had a problem and I kept crashing. I restarted the computer and I reloaded the Alpha 1011 without the graphics. And so far, right now I'm checking the monitoring of the amount of memory being used, and it's just barely okay, but there's clearly something wrong with the memory. I think there's a leak. Maybe I messed up when I was adding the graphics and something got added that shouldn't have been added. I don't know. Okay, so we're going to put these back again. I thought maybe these had something to do with it. They didn't. Nope. One here, one here, one here. Now let me show you something else. Yes, it makes it go off. That's nice to know. Well, we're going to see what happens there. A cow actually died on this one, so that was good. Well, I guess the pigs are no longer the pigs from hell. Hooray. I don't know what happened. Maybe it might be what I added to the game. Or it might be the graphics I added to the game that I accidentally added a class file or something. Or some other thing. Or it could be some other thing was done. There's a bunch of possibilities. But we're back to the regular... back to the regular armor. We're back to the regular sheep and cows and pigs and spiders not purple. And as far as I can tell, we're not crashing. Everything is going fine. So, I've got a couple more minutes. Let's go and... I'm not going to be able to go out there and start looking... But we're going to go out there and start looking for the other things that have been added. They've added clay. They've added reeds. And we can have bookshelves. And we can make books. But we need to make paper for that. We don't have paper because we don't have any reeds yet. So we're going to have some reeds. I changed all the graphics for everything. Even the reeds and everything. But I couldn't get it to work. Well, I think the computer, it might be that the computer was just not being very stable because it was because I had something else running, and now it is not running. But who knows? Who knows what we are doing here? I should list when I built this mining outpost and put the date on it. I should. I really should. Okay, yeah, so we got milk, but we can't do anything with the milk. Okay, here's the thing we're going to do now. See that? I want to see if this causes a memory problem. They have fixed it. They have definitely fixed it. I need more torches, so I gotta get these torches back. I want my torches back. I want my graphics back. I must have messed up. I must have added sound code that I wasn't supposed to add, or something. I noticed that my folder that had all the graphics in it also had some of the files. Yeah, that's always a bad idea. All right. Yeah, we might still have stairs going down here, or we might have a room through there or something. Okay, there's something wrong with the mouse. The mouse has a problem. Let's see if we can. Yeah, see, invert mouse is about the only thing you could do, and I don't want to invert the mouse. I want the mouse to slow down when it does this. There's no option for that, so forget it. Oh yeah, so yeah, I think the problem was just either Java had a memory leak, or else there was a memory leak that was caused by something the computer was doing. I mean, I had this thing set to very tiny render distance. What's that, like 2? It's like 2 chunks or something. I gotta try doing the graphics again. I think I can edit the clips together so that we'll get to see them both in the same episode. But if not, they'll be separate episodes, and they'll be 82A and 82B. I'm not getting anything done. We gotta prepare for the next day, day of Minecraft, because we gotta go out there. We gotta go find those reeds. We gotta find that clay and other things. And so we'll be doing that, and we'll see you next time. And finally, we got the episode finished after like 6 or 7 tries. Well, see you next time. Bye-bye.